We can't do it.
Hey, fell back.
You came for the kill. Oh, she's backwards.
She's a buff woman. Rue, go join the fun, don't bite me. Your bag! Honey has her paw on your butt. She's a crazy woman. Oh my god, Abel! She don't let go.
She don't let go.
See, she still has it. Oh, she let it go. And she's eating grass, you cow. Honey!
Come on. Run, Marty. Run with Honey.
Does it look like I want to be chased by Rue and tackled?
Go. I want to see what happens.
She's not gonna chase me.